Have you seen social media posts with "I have VIP access to a pre-construction project. Call me to get floor plans and pricing"? Hi there, my name is Nawar Naji. I'm a real estate broker with Chestnut Park Real Estate in the city of Toronto. I'm sure you've seen these social media posts where agents advertise access to pre-construction projects and to call them for floor plans and pricing. But here are 4 issues that I have with these posts. Number 1, how is this specific pre-construction project priced relative to the resale condos in that specific geographic area? And does it make sense to pay a premium for that specific project that's going to be built in 4 to 5 years from now, or buy something that existing in today's marketplace? 2, why is a specific pre-construction project better than the others that are launching in this city? 3 is, what are the back-end costs for that specific project? So you need to know about the development charges, HST, carry-on fees, Section 37, parking levies. There's a whole bunch of costs that you need to be aware of at the end that you're gonna have to pay for, which you cannot put into the mortgage. 4 is, what are the amenities that are designed into this building? So for example, having a rooftop pool or an outdoor pool will add significant cost to the maintenance fees. As an investor, you need to be aware of this because that could eat into your cash flow, which is an important decision for you to make when deciding if this is a good project to invest into. These are some of the questions to ask before you click on, call me to get floor plans and pricing when you see these social media posts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever you might see them online. If you're looking to invest in real estate, please feel free to reach out, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, happy investing.